Okay, welcome to OK Sim Vlog, where you have all your happenings when it comes to material, like original textile. This is where you get your materials. So on today's talk, I just want to talk about the biggest material in Senator fabric. A lot of us have not heard it. Some persons believe that 7 star is the highest when it comes to Senator fabric, but I'm here to prove you wrong because we have another one that is the biggest when it comes to Senator fabric, and it's called, they are of two types. We have the Lana, some person call it 2 stars, and we have the Amber fabric, some person refer to it as 3 stars. Now on this fabric, I have a lot to do, so just relax, stay tuned while I know I take you through. So stage 1, we do some experiments that has to do with this particular Lana. So as you can see, this biggest Lana, it has label. It has the label. You can actually see the border. Now, a lot of us say, what actually differentiates this one from 7 star? That is the original 7 star. It's because the content of both these carry. So I will show you all that why it's the way it is. So yeah, I have the 3 fabrics. Here I have the big Lana, which is the 2 star, and here I have the amber wool, which is the 3 star. And this is the normal Lana that we know. As you can actually see, this Lana is not the fake one. Like, we have about 4 types of Lana. The biggest Lana, then the one that follows this bigger one, which is this one. It normally has a red line at the tip of the border of the material. So that as you can actually see, this is how it is. So we're going to do some kind of experiments. So I have my lighter, not smoky. I just want to show you guys. So for this particular material, this is how it burns. It doesn't burn all through. To just put up the light and it will go off. So this is how it does. So I have so as you can actually see, wow, you can actually perceive that smell, that animal skin smell. Since this one is not working, I have option 2. You can actually see, you can smell it. So it looks like goat meat. So the second experiment has to do with water. Now, what makes this fabric different from others? This one doesn't absorb water, neither does it absorb heat. On a normal sense, we will say that for the fact that anything that doesn't absorb water is equivalent to nylon, or let me say a rough paper. But no, on this wise, I don't know, those of you that works in your farm, those of you that rear animals, those of you outside the country, we have sheep, right, where you can actually know the hairs in their body. You can actually see that they don't absorb water. Once you pour water on their body, it just flats out. So this is it. So I have water here with you. Like I say, I came prepared. So I will pour this water. So as you can actually see how it's floating. See how it dangles within the material. Unlike other material, that once you put water inside, it has absorbed water entirely. So this is it for this material. I don't want to wet this place because I'm not the one cleaning it. So no trace. So as you can actually see, no trace at all. That's to show you how authentic this material is. So 7 star, 5 star is not the highest quality in Senator fabric. We have the 2 star, which is the highest. And some persons, the original name itself is called George Bratto. Yes, that's the original name for it, George Bratto. So if you go to the market, if you don't see that particular name, George Bratto, on it with the 2 star, and there's another design that they normally make at the edge of it, a black tiny line that looks like a hole at the edge of it. They stitch it at the edge of it. Maybe you'll be thinking that maybe it just thread. No, it's not thread. It's there. So as you can actually see, this is the pages. So we are your biggest dealer. We import. We are not just roadside sellers. We are big brand. So as you can actually see. Now this particular fabric, one unique thing about it is that no multiple colors compared to 5-star and 7-star. This particular fabric now, each colors are unique. Nothing like pure white. This one doesn't have pure white. Each white is always creamy. Yes, that's how this particular material is. And you can have designs. The kind of designs you have for this particular fabric is pin kind of design, whereby the designs are built inside. The stripe is inside of it. So you can actually see this. This one is a stripe. That's why I decided to use this one. So you can actually see the stripe. So it's not like the normal fabric that you know. So the stripes are being designed inside of it, so you can actually see it. So that's the unique sense of this particular fabric. Like I said, it has so many colors. And for the amber wool, the amber wool itself has a golden line. This is it for the amber wool. The amber wool must have a golden line, sorry, a silver line within its borders. This is not removable. Can remove it. So, and its texture is different from that of 2-star. So that's it. So these are the two wonderful fabrics we have in Senator Materials. So should in case you go to the market, you ask them that we want the biggest fabric. So this should come to your mind. Okay guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time with me, and as you watch this, you can like and share. God bless. Bye.